The Yareli project is located 25 kilometers west of the Metates proposed plant site. During the past 2 years, a 75,000 hectare land position has been assembled by staking an option. To date, 7 prospects with different deposit types have been discovered at Yareli. This region is characterized by major geological structures and different lithologies, including clastic sedimentary rocks, limestones, intrusive and volcanic rocks, with the potential to host district-scale prospects. Spaniard project is a vein field covering an area 1.5 by 1.2 kilometers. So far, Chesapeake has discovered 20 quartz carbonate sulfide structures which vary between 1 to 6 meters wide, hosted within sandstones and conglomerates. Channel sampling on surface and in all Spaniard pits returned values including 2 meters of 14 grams per ton gold and 185 grams per ton silver, and 2 meters of 19 grams per ton gold and 505 grams per ton silver. 2 core drill holes in one of the veins confirmed high-grade gold and silver mineralization from surface to at least a depth of 100 meters. The drill results were 1 meter of 6.3 grams per ton gold and 969 grams per ton silver in hole Y5, and 5 meters of 0.6 grams per ton gold and 58 grams per ton silver in hole Y6. Most of the gold-silver mineralized veins of this swarm remain untested and are open along strike and to depth. The Loretos prospect is a blind copper molybdenum mineralized system with locally gold and silver. Loretos was discovered after an IP resistivity geophysical survey defined a 2 by 1 kilometer high chargeability anomaly below barren red beds. Chesapeake drill tested the IP anomaly and intersected extensive zones of copper and molybdenum mineralization. Hole Y4 caught 213 meters of 0.11% copper and 75 parts per million molybdenum, and hole Y10 returned 123 meters of 0.12% copper and 77 parts per million molybdenum. The geochemistry, stockworks, and alteration suggest that the drill holes cut the external part of a large porphyry system. The mineralization can be seen as dissemination on square veinlets with pyrite, pyrrhotite, chalcopyrite, and molybdenite, within host rock fragmental and intrusive breccias and porphyritic diorites. Lucy Prospect encompasses a 3.5 by 1 kilometer prospective area with outcrops of mineralized polymetallic skarn and carbonate replacement bodies. A follow-up geophysical survey defined a low resistivity zone flanked by 2 strong chargeability anomalies, indicating a possible pyritic shell around a large, shallow-seated intrusion, which underlies the area of skarn mineralization. Surface and underground geological mapping and channel sampling defined flat-lying gold, silver, copper, zinc mineralized mantos ranging from 10 to 30 meters thick over a strike length of 3 kilometers. 2 rock chip channel samples returned 30 meters of 0.4 grams per ton gold, 12 grams per ton silver, and 3.7% zinc, and 30 meters of 1.9 grams per ton gold, 17 grams per ton silver, and 3.3% zinc. The mineralization consists of sphalerite, chalcopyrite, arsenopyrite, and pyrrhotite-bearing exoskarns. 2 diamond drill holes colored 500 meters apart intercepted the outcropping skarns at depth, with similar thickness and grace to the surface channel samples. The polymetallic mantos were intersected near surface. The area has a relatively flat topographical relief amenable to an open pit operation. Given the known strike length of over 3 kilometers, Lucy is a large metasomatic and hydrothermal system with the potential to host a significant resource. The geochemistry, stockworks, and alterations suggests that the drill holes cut the external part of a large porphyry system. Demineralization can be seen as disseminations and quartz veinlets with pyrite, pyrrhotite, chalcopyrite, and molybdenite within heterolytic fragmental and intrusive breccias, as well as in porphyritic diorite. The Goyo prospect is located in southern Yareli. Goyo is a low sulfidation epithermal system with multiple structures situated along the west flank of a set of regional size ring and radial structures, all part of a district-scale volcanic hydrothermal complex. The north-south trending Goyo structure can be traced over 1 kilometer along a strike associated with the contact of a tertiary age rhyolite flow dome and andesites. To date, surface sampling has identified gold-silver mineralization along a breccia zone 200 meters long. A channel section returned 45 meters of 1.5 grams per ton gold and 24 grams per ton silver.